Number 5 is the Aqua Sonic Black Series Ultra Whitening Toothbrush. It's an incredibly powerful 40,000 VPM ultrasonic motor, delivers a complete and thorough clean, but Black Series goes beyond just cleaning your teeth. Use Whiten mode towards the end of your brushing sessions to dissolve surface stains. Use Massage mode to deliver vibrating microbursts into gum tissue to improve circulation and tissue function. Whiter teeth and healthier gums mean a more beautiful smile. Number 4 is the Mueller Sonic Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush with dentist-recommended cross-clean technology. Replacement brush heads, 5 modes, IPX7 fully waterproof. Built-in auto-timer 3D cleaning action oscillates, rotates, and pulsates to break up and remove plaque up to 10 times more plaque removal. We use our newest cross-clean sonic technology to sweep away plaque and give a deeper clean. No other brush on the market can compete with our 66,000 brush movements per minute, up to 100% less stains in just 3 days, up to 7 times healthier gums than a manual toothbrush. Number 3 is the Philips Sonic R6100 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. Feel the difference of a gentle clean with our pressure sensor, while whitening your teeth in 1 week. Click on the W Diamond Clean brush head to remove surface stains and reveal a whiter smile. With its densely packed central stain removal bristles, it's clinically proven to whiten teeth in just 1 week. This toothbrush allows you to customize your brushing with a choice of 3 modes and 3 intensities. Clean mode is standard for superior cleaning. White is the ideal mode for removing surface stains. And Gum Care mode adds an extra minute of reduced power brushing, so you can gently massage your gums. 3 intensities allow you to switch the order of higher and lower. Number 2 is the Oral-B Smart Series 7500 Power Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush with Bluetooth connectivity. Gives you healthier gums, stronger teeth for life. Bluetooth communication allows the brush to connect with your smartphone to give you real-time feedback on your brushing habits. With 5 unique modes and a customizable smart ring pressure sensor that lights up when you brush too hard, the Oral-B Pro 7500 will transform the way you brush. You can even customize the pressure sensor's color. Best of all, it's brought to you by Oral-B, the #1 brand used by dentists worldwide. Use as directed with a fluoride toothpaste. Number 1 is the Philips Sonic R for Kids Bluetooth Connected Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush. Keep kids engaged while they learn to brush. The Philips Sonic R for Kids Bluetooth-enabled toothbrush interacts with a fun app that helps kids brush better and for longer. Kids have fun while learning techniques that will last a lifetime.